Welcome to Fusion Hub, the all-in-one professional hub for Blender creators, proudly developed by Fusion Art Studios. This is not just an add-on, it's a complete creative ecosystem. With Fusion Hub Plus, you get 17 plus premium plugins and your own personal dashboard, making it the most advanced Blender workflow system ever created. Every user starts with a 3-day free trial, so you can explore the full experience before choosing your plan. Pro plan, just $19, perfect for artists who want to supercharge their daily workflow. With the Pro plan, you unlock Fusion MoGraph Explode, Flow Path, Layout Switcher, Quick Boolean. These tools make animation, modeling, and scene control effortless and precise. Ultimate plan, just $49. Unlock everything inside Fusion Hub Plus. The Ultimate plan gives you all premium plugins, including FusionCam Pro, Fusion Flow, Fusion HDRI Pro, Fusion Physics Placer, Fusion MoGraph Pro, Fusion eSync Pro, Fusion Texturing Pro, Fusion Imperfections, Fusion Gobo's Lightning, Fusion Layer Manager, and all 5 Pro plugins too. This is your creative toolkit. But that's not all. With the Ultimate plan, you also get access to your own personal dashboard, where you can manage your Fusion Hub subscription, check plugin updates, renew or upgrade your plan anytime, and control everything from one secure, dedicated account. Your dashboard is your personal Fusion Hub control center, built for professionals. And here's the biggest bonus. When you subscribe to the Ultimate plan, you'll also receive Fusion Art Studios Ultimate membership absolutely free. That means you can sell your own 3D work projects and services directly on FusionArt.net with 0% commission fees. Yes, you heard it right. Every sale, every earning, 100% yours. So what are you waiting for? Start your 3-day free trial today. Upgrade to Pro or Ultimate and explore the future of Blender workflow. Get it now on FusionArt.net now and subscribe today, because your creativity deserves the ultimate performance.